How to watch random lives on Instagram. Firstly, open Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged in to your account. If you watch closely, then there's no option for live on the Instagram panel. So in this case, swipe right to go to your story section. At the bottom, you should see the live option. Select the center button to go live. Don't worry, you just need to go live for a few seconds. Once you are live, at the bottom, you will see different kind of icons. Click on the send icon. Now send to any of your friends. You only need to select one friend, but you can select more than that also. Once the live is sent, simply end the live. Once you end the live, then go back to your home page. You can also simply refresh your Instagram app. Now go to the chat section. On the live video that you shared, click on watch more. Now you can see more lives right here. If any of your friends or the people you follow are live, then you can share their profile and select watch more. That's all for today. Thank you.